Om Shanti. I am Dr. Josna Mahapatra. Today I have been invited to speak some memories with Dadi Sandeshi. Dear friends, with loving thoughts, I am going to speak on our beloved Adiratna Dadi Sandeshi. I am very fortunate to have spent several years when Dadi was here in Ob Nivas. She toiled to bring inner positive difference in the lives of many. The beauty and royalty of Dadi can be experienced by just being in her presence, even without exchange of words. ଖାଲି ତାଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ତମେ ରହିଲେ ତମେ କେତେ କଥା ଜାଣିପାରିବ, କେତେ ଜିନିଷ ଅନୁଭବ କରିପାରିବ। ନୁହେଁ ଯେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କଲେ ହିଁ ତମକୁ ଖୁସି ଲାଗିବ। ଖାଲି ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସଟା, ତାଙ୍କ ଉପସ୍ଥିତିଟା ବହୁତ ଆନନ୍ଦ ଦିଏ। Her sterling qualities of simple language and noble behavior are always expressed naturally towards one and all. My workplace was Regional Institute of Education NCERT. Daily I drive to the institute and teach chemistry. On my way I crossed Om Nivas and could not resist my temptation to pray 2 minutes to Shiv Baba and meet our loving Dadi. It was a very pleasure moment. एते खुशी लगुला मते आज सेटा वर्णना कर परिबिनी। The Prajapati Brahmakumaris Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya celebrated Adiratna Dadi Sandeshi's 13th death anniversary at Om Nivas Unit 9 few days back with the help of Geetaben very well. I was very sad as I could not keep up the invitation to attend the celebration due to COVID-19 this year. I thank here to the technology and could be present in webinar from beginning till the end for the celebration. So I really did not miss. Her life story inspires many. She is an image of Brahma Baba and she brings Lokik as well as divine family. Her contribution immense. People look at her as an instrument of God. The spirituality in her personality pleases everyone, and Godfather Shiva, the ocean of knowledge and the highest teacher of yoga, commences the pious function of creating golden aged world, that is Satya Yoga, through the human medium of Prajapita Brahma. Though a good number of people are affected by the spiritual radiance of the Supreme Father, there are a few pioneers who surrender themselves completely. Rajyoga Dadi Sandeshji is one of those luminous stars. Though she was old, she was always ready for service. Though she was old, she was always ready for service. That was the glory of her. Even when she was not physically okay, she is always happy and light. You can see some kind of glow in her face. Her face सबुबले glow करुता है. I hope by hearing and knowing her wonderful experience, the spiritual aspirants would feel the ecstasy of godly love and an earnest intellectual communion with Shiv Baba. I remember here one of my experiences as I worked for NCERT. There came a project on peace education. We were supposed to have a seminar and few principals of different schools of Odisha and West Bengal were invited for the 10 days workshop to give them enough knowledge of peace education. During that time, NCERT had not introduced peace education in school curriculum. I thought to myself, why not I go to meet Dadi and get some ideas from her for this project, as she is a very loving, peace-loving person. So she will be the best guide. I remember that day I had a good discussion with Dadi Sandeshi with the help of other BK sisters present. It was a good, effective seminar to be remembered. During the 10 days, few BK sisters spoke on peace from different angles, and a very good report was made and sent to NCERT Delhi. It was a good achievement which I will never forget, and it was all because of Dadi Sandeshi. I was very inspired by hearing about Dadi's childhood, which I want to share with you. They were all five sisters and one brother, and hardworking parents. Both the parents were very hardworking. She was given the name Lakshmi. Her home name or the house name or the nickname you can say was Lakshmi. Later on, she was given the name Sandeshi. Dadi comes from a very good family with lot of helpers to do all the work. Her mother taught, though there were so many servants, her mother taught all the children to do their own work, which is a great lesson for all parents. Sabu parents mane निश्चय तांका पिलामानकु निज काम करिबा उचित जेते चाकर बाकर थांतु ना कांकी. Her father was very close to Brahma Baba. She completed class 5 in local school. Then she joined Ishwariya Vishwavidyalaya and was sent to a girls' boarding school. There were 60 girls and were very well taken care of. That was Brahma Baba's boarding school. And they were treated like princes. They had to wear white makmal dress, om ribbon, om belt, and had to change dress 3 times each day to keep themselves clean. Every day mosquito net was put and bed sheets changed. Bedtime song Soja Rajkumari was played till they slept. They did meditation every day while on bed. Soon she was attracted to get more knowledge of Baba and so devoted her tan man dhan. Baba used to say, you are taking milk now. Future children will take butter. And that is what has happened. Dadi was a good singer and a good dancer as well. Baba gave another name to her, Ramanika Mohini. Still there was another name given, that is Brindravala. Finally she learnt the real source of knowledge is in the soul. The brain cells do not create knowledge, but serve as channel for its other expression. Then finally a day came in April 1996. Summertime it was, when Dadi left us all and the soul flew, and it was in God's lap forever and ever. We all paid silent homage to this tireless spiritual server who has meant so much to so many. We treasure the wealth of personal lessons in wisdom and courage she shared throughout her life. Lot of contributions, lot of service she has done, for which we remember her forever and ever. Om Shanti. Dhanyavad.